Welcome to Top Review Lab. The Best Baby Shark tablet is probably one of the most exciting and engaging pieces of technology designed specifically for your little ones, transforming screen time into an interactive learning adventure that captivates young minds with its vibrant colors, familiar characters, and educational content, making it a standout choice for parents seeking to entertain and educate their toddlers in a fun and safe digital environment. Number 5. 6-in-1 Kids Educational Phone Toy. This educational toy is filled with fun learning games. It helps teach critical thinking skills, including letters, words, spelling, numbers, and quizzes. With 6 unique learning functions, it's designed to help children learn language and promote a love of learning. It entertains and keeps them occupied with education. Unlike cheap toys, this is a high-quality learning device that is sturdy. It's engineered to withstand daily use throughout your child's developmental years. This portable learning device is the perfect solution for long car rides, airplane trips, and travel. It's packed with dozens of educational activities. This children's learning device offers electronic fun. It requires 3 XAA batteries, not included, and is recommended for ages 3 and up. What we like? This device is packed with educational games designed to boost critical thinking and language skills. Its sturdy build ensures it can withstand daily use, making it a reliable companion for your child's developmental journey. If you're looking for a durable and engaging learning tool that can keep your child entertained and educated during travel, this is an excellent choice. What people say? It is very intuitive. She very quickly learned everything available from this device. My son enjoyed playing with it in the car. The quality is pretty good, and the sound is clear. It's a decent size as well, good for small kids. My daughter loves all the different functions and especially the music. This is going to be extremely helpful with her learning to count and find objects, learning the alphabet, and overall being excited to learn new things. I also received a follow-up from the sender making sure that everything was good. That really impressed me and spoke volumes about their honesty and service. I highly recommend buying one of these for your toddlers or as a gift. It's incredibly durable and I don't see it breaking anytime soon. Number 4. Osmo Little Genius Starter Kit for Fire Tablet. Introducing the Osmo Little Genius Starter Kit for Fire Tablet. It's a magical way for your child to learn and play. Watch as their physical game pieces come alive on the Fire Tablet. This award-winning kit makes learning fun and interactive. It helps children develop pre-reading skills, letter formation, and phonics. They can also explore creativity with shapes and costumes. Perfect for ages 3 to 5, this kit provides a stress-free environment for experimentation and learning through real-time feedback. The kit comes with everything your child needs to start playing and learning right away, including game pieces and access to 4 engaging apps. This starter kit is designed to work with specific Fire tablet models, ensuring a seamless and enjoyable learning experience. What we like? This kit offers a magical learning experience where physical pieces come to life on your Fire tablet. It focuses on STEM skills like counting, shapes, and phonics, fostering creativity and problem-solving. If you have a Fire tablet and are seeking an interactive, award-winning educational games set that makes learning fun and engaging for ages 3 to 5, this is the perfect fit. What people say? The screen is bright and clear, making it easy for little ones to see. It comes with a variety of educational games and apps that are engaging and fun. The tablet is durable and has survived a few drops without any damage. Number 3. KOKODI Kids Smartphone Toy. This toy phone is packed with features your child will love. It includes apps for photos, videos, stories, and even helps them develop important life skills like time management and logical thinking. Taking pictures is a breeze with its smart tracking for people, pets, and birds. Kids can easily snap photos or selfies with fun stickers, and the touchscreen makes recording simple. It comes with 31 educational games pre-installed, ready to play right out of the box. With adjustable difficulty levels and support for music and stories, entertainment is always on hand. This toy is designed for everyday use, featuring a protective silicone case to prevent damage from drops. It's available in 2 fun colors with a unique textured dinosaur or unicorn design. Looking for a gift for a child aged 3 to 8? This toy phone is a fantastic choice for birthdays or holidays. It encourages creativity and provides a safe way for kids to explore their world. Safety is our top priority. This toy phone has undergone rigorous testing to meet safety standards and is designed for children aged 3 and up, with no Wi-Fi needed. What we like. This toy phone allows kids to capture their world with dual cameras and enjoy pre-installed educational games. It's built tough with a silicone case and features fun designs, making it a great gift. If you want a safe, engaging, and durable device for your child aged 3 to 8 that encourages creativity and provides entertainment without internet dangers, this is a fantastic option. What people say. The screen is easy to press, the sounds are fun without being too loud, and it keeps them entertained while encouraging pretend play. It feels sturdy and well made, which is great because it gets dropped a lot. It has a camera, games, and other apps that keep her entertained for a long time, and she no longer needs to grab mine. The phone clicks amazing pictures. Number 2. Pinkfong Baby Shark ABC Alphabet Bus. Get ready to learn your ABCs with this fun musical bus. It's packed with songs and sounds to make learning exciting for little ones. Explore letters, words, and phonics with engaging modes and a special quiz time. The colorful lights and buttons make every lesson a joy. Sing along to the world-famous Baby Shark song and many other classic children's tunes. It features high-quality sound and easy-to-read lyrics. This toy is designed with little hands in mind, featuring a comfortable handle for easy carrying. It also has adjustable volume for a perfect listening experience. It helps develop fine motor skills, listening, memory, and pronunciation. This is a fantastic tool for early literacy and creativity. Looking for a gift? This educational toy is perfect for birthdays, holidays, or any occasion for newborns, babies, and toddlers. What we like. This toy bus is themed around the popular Baby Shark song and offers a wealth of interactive learning through music and sounds. It features alphabet songs, quizzes, and LED lights for a multisensory experience. If you're looking for a fun, engaging, and portable way to introduce your toddler, ages 1 to 3, to letters and music, this iconic themed toy is sure to be a hit. What people say. It works well as a mini light show and an educational toy. All the buttons light up, giving a light show with every song. The toy is filled with fun songs, including the Baby Shark song, which my toddler absolutely loves. Number 1. Amazon Fire 7 Kids Tablet. Introducing the Amazon Fire 7 Kids Tablet, the top-selling 7-inch tablet for children on Amazon. It's designed for kids aged 3 to 7 and comes in a vibrant blue color. Get incredible value with this bundle, which includes a durable tablet, a 1-year Amazon Kids Plus subscription, and a protective case. This package offers significant savings compared to purchasing items separately. We stand by our product with a 2-year worry-free guarantee. If it breaks within 2 years, simply return it, and we'll replace it for free. Unlock a world of entertainment and education with a 1-year subscription to Amazon Kids Plus. It provides access to thousands of ad-free books, games, videos, and apps from popular brands like Disney and Nickelodeon. Manage your child's experience with ease using the parent dashboard. You can filter content by age, set educational goals, limit screen time, and even grant access to other apps. Keep them entertained for longer with a battery that lasts up to 10 hours. It ensures the device is ready whenever they need it. It comes with 16 gigabytes of internal storage, and you can expand it further with a microSD card for even more space to download their favorite content. What we like. This is a full-featured tablet designed for kids, bundled with a year of Amazon Kids Plus content and a protective case. It offers robust parental controls, a long battery life, and an impressive 2-year worry-free guarantee. If you're seeking a comprehensive and safe digital experience for children aged 3 to 7, with access to a vast library of ad-free educational and entertainment content, this tablet is an excellent value. What people say. The included protective case adds peace of mind, while parental controls make it easy to manage screen time and content. Case stays on and is super durable. Easy to use and came with Amazon Kids, which allows me to keep parental controls so they cannot download or access anything they shouldn't, and I can monitor and control access from an app on my phone. The durable kid-proof case is a huge plus. It has already survived a few drops with no issues. Battery life is solid for daily use, and the screen size is perfect for little hands. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.